Hello, and welcome to this HelloID provisioning product release video for December 2022. HelloID provisioning is a 100% born-in-the-cloud, easy-to-configure and maintain user provisioning solution. It helps organizations to fully automate the user lifecycle management in the network by connecting the HR or SIS as a source system. Every change in this source is detected and processed into the network. No more worries about stale user accounts, accumulation of licenses or access rights, manual user management, or compliancy issues. Please note that in this video, we will only show the new functionality for the December 2022 release. Please go to docs.helloid.com or our YouTube channel for more videos. Let's get started. In this video, we'd like to start with a PowerPoint presentation and then demo the new functionalities for the December 2022 release. We have two new items in this release. The first one is different time schedule options for scheduling. With this release, we introduced the possibility to configure more advanced schedule options for the HelloID automated provisioning schedule. Our second item is to specify the print format for date fields. This feature is related to all of the date fields that are being used inside a notification template. Now let's start with a short demo of the new features in this release. Our first stop is the newly introduced scheduling options. Previously, a selection of time slots used in your local time zone was the only option available and was dependent on the user's browser time zone configuration. From this setting, the UTC time value was used by HelloID and was stored inside the database. This configuration could cause an issue when, for example, daylight saving time came around and could cause the current schedule to shift by 1 hour. With this release, we introduced the option to configure your own time zone by selecting one of the options from the drop-down list. By default, the time zone of the browser is selected, but can easily be changed by selecting another time zone. In addition to this, we also added a toggle to observe daylight saving time to be used inside your schedule configuration. When the daylight saving toggle is enabled, the HelloID schedule will follow the daylight saving time as defined by CEST time zone and will automatically shift the schedule by 1 hour. When selecting a time zone that does not support daylight saving time, the universal time zone for example, the toggle of observed daylight saving will be disabled and cannot be switched on for this specific time zone. Our second new item of this release is the specification of a general format for date fields to be used in notifications. As you can see, a new button has been introduced. This button is specifically introduced for the configuration of a generic date format. A default format will be provided, and it will be used as a preview based on the current date. This can easily be changed by an update format and will be updated once this setting has been changed. Remember that this setting is used as a general provisioning setting and will be applicable to all the date fields that are being used in a provisioning notification. When using a custom field, for example, HelloID will store this as a string value, and the default date formatting is not applicable to any of these fields. So only date fields like contract start and contract end dates will be formatted using this specific date format configuration. One minor remark on this release is a breaking change related to the HelloID agent, which should be updated and running the latest version of the HelloID agent. Thank you so much for watching. Please let us know if you have any additional questions. You can post your question in YouTube or send it to isupport@toolsforever.com. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel to receive frequent updates about improvements and changes in HelloID. Have a wonderful day.